I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Hart circular saw. Start by prioritizing safety. Always don your safety glasses and hearing protection before even touching the saw. A sharp, correctly installed blade is crucial for clean cuts and safe operation. Remember to unplug the saw when making any adjustments or changing blades. Finally, always secure your material tightly. A moving workpiece can be incredibly dangerous and lead to inaccurate cuts. Now, let's prepare for your cut. Adjust the blade depth so it extends just about 1/8 of an inch below your material. This prevents unnecessary strain on the motor and reduces kickback. If you need an angled cut, set your bevel angle, which usually ranges from 0 to 45 degrees. Clearly mark your cut line, then place the saw's base plate flat on the material before powering it on. When you're ready to cut, let the saw reach its full speed before the blade touches the material. This ensures a smooth start and prevents binding. Maintain a steady, consistent feed rate. Don't force the saw, but also don't let it linger. Keep both hands firmly on the saw's handles for optimal control. Guide the saw precisely along your marked line, paying close attention to the blade's curve. Once your cut is complete, release the trigger and wait for the blade to stop spinning entirely before lifting the saw. Always unplug the tool immediately after you've finished your work. Take a moment to clean any sawdust and debris from the motor vents and blade guard. This helps maintain performance. Finally, store your Hart circular saw in a dry, secure place, protecting it from moisture and damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.